once again to Deiser Connection. How you doing? I hope you're doing great. Today we have a really special episode because we will continue our Atlassian Intelligence series. Remember that a few weeks ago we created a video that was about Atlassian Intelligence for Jira. Well, today is going to be Atlassian Intelligence for Confluence. And moving on, we have a special episode that will be uploaded a few days before Atlassian Team 24, which is about AI, and what we should expect from AI in the future, and a discussion about AI and what we can achieve with it right now, and what we wish we could achieve right now, and what we wish we will be able to achieve in the future. So I'm really looking forward to showing you what we've done with that. We have Fama and Andy joining us for that special episode, and Manon, Suobi, Kami. They're both Atlassian community leaders, and they know a lot about what artificial intelligence can bring us. We believe that artificial intelligence, AI, will be taking a hold of most conversations during Atlassian Team 24. And talking about Atlassian Team 24, we're 3 weeks away from this amazing event. Impossible alone, possible together. This event that is all about teamwork and the innovations that we can use in order to work together and work better together. Deiser will be there, of course. We won't miss this amazing event. And please find us at booth 127. We will be right there. I don't think that you will miss us because you will probably recognize us. I won't say that much. It's going to be a surprise. So look out for the Deiser team. It will be great. And not only the Deiser team will be there, but the Deiser Connection will be there. I will be there recording different things, recording different interviews, insights about the event, insights about how the clients see the event, how the solution partners are doing with the event, maybe Atlassian representatives too, and even marketplace partners. So expect a little journal about that event too. It's gonna be really nice. And also we will be recording this new section from the Deiser Connection that we decided to call Atlassian Around the World. The next episode will be uploaded next week, so I'm not going to talk too much about it. I'm going to let you see what we created, what we've done with that. I think that it's really interesting, and I think that it's going to open new conversations about how we work in different cultures, in different countries, in different regions. So it's going to be really interesting, and I hope that you like it. And last but not least, if you're still thinking about attending the Atlassian Team 24, do not hesitate to use this code right here. Okay, that code right there, which is a code that will provide a discount for you in case that you still haven't bought the ticket for the Atlassian event. So go ahead and check that out. Also, the Atlassian Creators Program has opened its registrations once again. So if you are a content creator about Atlassian tools, Atlassian ecosystem, and maybe the agile world, and so on, do not hesitate to sign up to the Atlassian Creators Program because it's a really cool program. It's the Atlassian Creators Program is super nice. The Atlassian Creators Program is a really nice program. The Atlassian Creators Program is an amazing program in which you will learn, you will meet really incredible and cool people, really smart people. We have a lot of creators. I want to name them all, but there's a lot of really amazing people that are creating content about Atlassian and the Atlassian ecosystem that you should check out if you don't want to sign up for this program. But do not wait and sign up if you want to create content about Atlassian and Atlassian tools and the Atlassian ecosystem. So go ahead, do not miss it. You'll have all the links right here below this video. So, without further ado, let's go back to the studio and let me show you a few more things. So we're back in the studio right now, and as you may remember on the previous episode, we talked about Atlassian Intelligence for Jira. Well, today we will talk a little bit about Atlassian Intelligence for Confluence, which is a collection of AI features designed to enhance the capabilities of Confluence. In this case, of course, but it will allow customers to focus on productivity. It will allow you to make better data-driven decisions also, and all with responsible AI practices. Today we'll show you different features available right now in Confluence Premium instances. So let's go and check them out. So this is our Confluence page. And remember that we are trying to create the Deiser connection video, the Deiser connection, everything, everything that there is to be, everything that goes with the Deiser connection. Okay, so for now we're writing a playbook of the Deiser connection, because imagine that someone else at some point is creating these videos, is recording these videos. So we created the playbook for the Deiser connection. So if we go in, we have different pages, how to record a video, how to upload a video, and how to create a script for the video. But suddenly we face this block of text, this wall of text that has a lot of information. And as I mentioned before in one of my favorite Atlassian Intelligence features, the summarized feature, for the Jira Service Management tickets is one of my favorites. I think that it's my favorite. But right now we have it here. We have it in Confluence, and we can use it right now in order to have this text all summarized. It's really easy, and it's really fast, and it's really nice. It's awesome. We have all that block of information. We have it here summarized, which is super cool. We can even copy it, and paste it somewhere else. Maybe paste it in this same page in order to save some space. I don't know why we want to do that, but it's okay. So imagine that we also have that summarized, but we need to find some actions, because just by summarizing it, we won't find any actions in order to do, because of this text. Okay, we read out this text and we want to identify the actions that we need to do. So it's really easy, it's really simple. So you just need to enter the dash, select AI, and find action items. Select the find action items. So just by clicking it, the Atlassian Intelligence will find you the action items, and you will be able to insert it into this page, and you will be able to mark them as soon as you do them, as soon as you complete them. So if we update the page, we will have them right there. So it's really useful. It saves time, and it will allow you to make better decisions, because you have all that information right there, instead of trying to identify the actions and then writing them down. Of course, there's a little need of proofreading with the actions that have been identified. just to check if they're well written and if they're actions, because it's still AI and AI can make mistakes for now. Okay, well, but we'll see. So the next thing that I like to do, that it's something that it's really useful. Imagine that we have these bullet points right here on how to record a video, but at some point we're missing some stuff, or we want to expand that information. So just by, again, selecting the dash and AI, we can, this is a little bit of a trick, we can select brainstorm, and then the AI will ask you, what do you need me to brainstorm about? So I'm gonna ask it to make this list longer, or so I'm gonna ask to extend the information on this list, just as a brainstorming session. Then you will be able to read it out, and filter through the information that is needed or not. So if you select, this list will be extended with more information, and then you will be able to insert it in Confluence. So if you hit update, everything will be done as it is done in Confluence. And one last thing, but not least, if you go to the search engine, you'll have the Ask AI button. It won't be activated unless you write something on it. So for example, how can I record a video? We have several pages, that will let you know where you can find that information. The search engine, several pages that lets you know where you can find that information in order to record a video. But if you ask AI, in a few seconds, it will bring you this information right here. It will show your information and the sources, and it will show you the sources from which the AI got this information, how to record a video and how to create a script for a video. So it's a mix. This is also really useful and really nice. So that's pretty much it for this video. Remember that we will be talking about Atlassian Intelligence and AI in future episodes. So let's go back to the main page. I really hope that this video was helpful, that you learned something about Atlassian Intelligence for Confluence, something new that you can achieve with Atlassian Intelligence, and hope to see you next week. Remember that next week we have a new section for the Deiser connection. I hope and I believe that everyone will like it. So stay tuned, okay? We're gonna have a lot of information going through our channels during these next 3 weeks. So also stay tuned. We'll show you everything that is expected about Atlassian Team 24, and we're really eager, we're really looking forward to attending this event. So see you next week with a new section. Bye bye.